Hi, in this video I'll show you two ways to create a door opening in a wall using Unity ProBuilder. So this is how our walls will look like after the video. I already have a simple room setup with two walls and a floor. Let's go ahead and disable this game object. So let's start with the first method, which is insert loop edges. Select the wall on which you want to create a door opening. Switch to edge selection. Now let's create the boundary for our door opening. Select the two edges. Let's first select the top and bottom edges. After selecting the edges, click on this insert edge loop in Unity ProBuilder window. Click on this insert edge loop. As you can see, an edge loop is added on our wall. Adjust this edge loop. Select the top and bottom edges again to create the right boundary for our door opening. After selecting the edges, again click on this insert edge loop. This will create the right boundary for our door opening. Let's adjust it. Drag the edge loop. This should do it. Now select these two edges and add another edge loop by clicking on this insert edge loop. This will serve as the top boundary for our doorway. Now we have the boundary for our doorway. Let's go to the face selection and select the faces from front and back side of the wall and delete these faces by clicking on delete or backspace button. Now we have the door opening on our wall. As you can see, we have this empty space between these two edges. To fill the empty space between these two edges, go to the edge selection, select these two edges and click on this bridge edges. As you can see, now the empty space is filled between these two edges. Repeat the same process over here as well. Select the two edges, click on bridge edges again. Repeat the same process here as well. Select the two edges and bridge these two edges by clicking on this bridge edge option. As you can see, we have the door opening on our wall. Now let's move on to the second way to create the door opening on the other wall. Again, select the wall on which you want to create the door opening. Let's create the boundary for our door opening. Select the two edges and click on connect edges. This will serve as the top boundary for our door opening. Click the bottom and top edge now and again click on this connect edges option. This will serve as the left boundary for our door opening. Adjust the position of this edge. Select the top and bottom edges again and connect them using connect edges tool. Adjust the edge according to the size of the doorway. This connect edges tool connects the edges on current side only. It will not add the edges on back side of the wall like insert edge loop do. Let's repeat the process on the back side of the wall as well. Select the two edges, connect them using connect edges tool, adjust the top boundary of the doorway, select the top and bottom edges, connect them using connect edges tool, adjust the position of the edge, repeat the process to insert another edge, connect the two edges, adjust the position of the edge. Now we have the door boundary on both front and back faces of the wall. Go to the face selection mode, select the face and delete it. Go to the other side as well. And delete the face. Now we have the door opening on this wall as well, and as you can see we have this empty space again between these two edges. Go to edge selection mode, select the two edges and bridge the gap between the two edges. By clicking on bridge edges, you can repeat the process for top and right side as well. Let's do the same process for top side. Bridge edges, select the two edges and click on bridge edges to fill the gap between the two edges. I think I have selected the wrong, yeah, I selected the wrong edges. And after selecting the correct edges, click on this bridge edges, and as you can see now the gap has been filled. Now we have door opening on each wall. Both methods work well, so you can choose the one that fits your project best. Thanks for watching.